Hello and welcome to the It's Raining Crafts podcast. My name is Raina. You could find me under SF Chick on Instagram and Ravelry. Today is Thursday, November 16th, 2023. I hope that you're all well. I have a finished object. If you remember from the last time that I talked to you, I finished both sleeves on my Harkin pullover. The yarn is Knit Picks Turkish Delight out of their kettle dyed hawthorn base. This is the colorway is Turkish Delight. The yarn is their hawthorn kettle dye base, and I just love it. I love the way that it turned out. I just want to wear it as a cozy sweater. So I finished the sleeves. Last Thursday when I talked to you on my podcast, I was doing this. I picked up sleeve 2 and just knit on it until I think Monday, which was the day before my wedding anniversary. And then on Tuesday, I picked up the second sock of my This Is the Way by Moons and Nosh. So if you don't remember, this is the first one. Is a gold heel. And then I did the heel flap and the gusset. And now I'm working down the foot on that. So that's going pretty well. I'm pacing myself with my projects right now. I want to cast on something new, but I don't want to feel overwhelmed with what I am doing at the moment. So I was thinking when I get done with the sock, I can work on the cardigan that I have here on my desk, the featherweight cardigan out of Lolo Did It, a neighborhood fiber company. And then I can work on the body. I can just work through the body. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with the sleeves. I think maybe stripe the sleeves. But I remember when I striped sleeves the last time, and it was not self-striping yarn. It was a pain in the butt. So maybe I'll just do purple sleeves and gray cuffs, or stripe the sleeves, like I said, because the body is striped. I'm trying to think, if I would wear it more if I had stripes on the arms, or if I had solid on the arms. But that's what I'm doing. And then I pulled out another sweater quantity out of my stash over here. I pulled out this Bumblebee Acres Rhaenyra Targaryen and shimmer sock that I got at Rhinebeck, not this year, last year. So this is Rhaenyra Targaryen, and it sparkles, and it makes me happy because it sparkles. And then I was going to do these two with the Neighborhood Fiber Company because they're almost alike. This one is lighter than the one in the middle, but I think they're both the same base. They are the same base. They're Capital Luxury Sport. And it doesn't have a colorway name, but they're both 360 yards, 70 merino, 20 cashmere, and 10 nylon. So that is in the works to find something to cast on. Maybe I'll just cast on another one of these because I know the pattern and I know my fit, and this fits me well. So I might just do that and leave it short sleeved. Or do I cast, I don't know, do I cast on another cardigan? Because I also have 3 skeins of 600 yards from Universal Yarns, and they're Fiber Natura, which is like a, hold on, I'll get it. So this is Fiber Natura Cobblestone. I have 2 of this color in the patina colorway. I know this color is macaw, even though I don't have the label. It's the same yarn, and they are both 7 ounces, 200 grams, 612 yards. And they're already rolled up. So that's a bonus to cast this on, because I won't mess up my skeins. So I don't know. Do I cast these 2 on? I have another skein of this upstairs that has yet to come downstairs. So I have 3 of these. Or do I cast on this? Let me know what you think. Kel's play. Kel has been working hard at his play practice this week. The play is tomorrow night on November 17th at his school. So I'm excited to see how he does in it. And then this week we also celebrated our 14th wedding anniversary. It's like, oh my God, 14 years? Well, Cal was born like right before our anniversary. Our first anniversary. So it's easy to figure out how many years I've been married. You just count Cal plus 1. So that was fun. We didn't do anything. We saw each other. He did some stuff around here that day, and we went to, and we didn't have we really didn't do anything. When they came, I was in the middle of knitting my sock heel. And you know how a heel turn goes. you just can't stop in the middle of it or you lose your place. So that's where I was. And he came and Kellen came and that's about it. But and this weekend, next week is Thanksgiving here in the States. So I will be at my in-laws, with my in-laws again next week. And yeah, so I don't think that I have that much more to talk about, except what I'm going to cast on and next, and finishing my sock. So I will talk to you later. I hope that you have a good one. Bye-bye.